Hey, here we are. Here we are.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So Zin,
Yeah.
who is half Persian, father Persian,
Yeah.
mother American,
Yeah. Just
you know the culture very well.
Yeah.
Tonight, you're my guest. We're gonna have some.
knock knock.
Here they bring everything in order. You have a pizza, you have this, that.
Yeah.
And then you'll see when we're halfway or almost through, they'll bring the thing.
Yeah.
This place, food, service, quality, impeccable. Now everybody loved, the girls love, Charlie loved.
Sean, where is Chip Charlie, man?
Chip Charlie is on Thailand Elite Exile Program. He's serving his 1-year sentence. He's forced to make luxury trips.
Okay.
And just go around Asia and explore. Charlie love. I have Zin now.
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat all this
Zin
myself.
is gonna be.
Yes, I know you. That is nothing.
Oh, thank you.
Very cool, fantastic. Fantastic videos. This right in the park. And you stay in cool.
Oh, thank you.
Everything about Pattaya.
The life of Pattaya now. He's gonna make it.
A lot of pressure, man.
A lot of pressure. No, I don't go to walking stick. This and that. Maybe it's gonna be up on you. Do you go there?
No.
No,
I
okay.
haven't been there yet, so.
Okay, so you're like me. We'll just live the healthy life.
I'm looking for the food.
Food. Oh, okay. There you go. And where are you from?
England.
Oh, England.
Yeah.
Oh, good. You enjoying your day?
Yeah, very well, but yeah, very good. First time in somewhere.
How do you like the Sean in Wonderland channel?
I like it.
Does it make you laugh?
I like it. Yes. You soon need a bigger hotel.
I will. I do.
Bigger rooms, bigger rooms.
Yeah, I did a comedy series of these companies. I had some guests. So
Yeah, I watched. I watched.
they're gone now. So we'll see. But how many other guests might be want to come? So I could use that one or two.
You're a good cook, so there you go. Yeah, but yeah, I thought I recognized you before that shot.
Nah, I like my mom. like the funny stuff or like the content?
my championship.
I'm your what? I'm your what?
You are your champion.
Champion.
Yes, big champion. Very, very big star.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much.
There we go.
Hey, oh. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
See you in the
See you in where? In the channel.
channel.
In the channel, yeah. Have you tried these?
Yeah, I love it.
It tastes good. Piạc mày. Cái nồi mê piạc hả? Inside not piạc. Inside not piạc.
I'm looking for the food.
Food. Oh, okay. There you go.
Orange and white, that perfect color.
Okay, then. So tonight our food is prepared. This is the schnitzel. I did my own personal marinade for the chicken with the garlic and chili pepper, and
Yeah.
you were really in love with that.
Yeah,
I did one pork like that,
yeah,
right?
yeah, one pork with it.
This is got plenty of garlic and chili pepper, and this is just the egg and tomato batter.
Okay,
No salt or nothing else.
okay.
So go ahead and taste it, and let me know what you think.
Perfectly
Do
cooked.
you think it needs anything else?
No.
No.
Because you can never go wrong with pepper.
Black pepper, and then it's got garlic and yeah. What do you think? So it's got garlic,
You can taste the
pepper,
garlic.
and salt.
I taste the garlic for sure coming through.
Is it too salty?
No, it's really nice like that.
Really
'cause
not.
All I taste is garlic, not salt.
Okay. The chicken's gonna be a phenomenon, I think. Go ahead. You're welcome.
The chicken is really good actually.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's gonna be a winner for anybody who wants to.
the chicken.
Okay, now so we're making the.
Chef Sean. He was like one of the guys that made Food Network, you know?
This will go for you. Some extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah.
This food will go very well with basil and onion. What do you think? Okay, so we put it in the breadcrumb and we put it in the.
Nice.
What happens?
The classic flip. Nice.
So you got this is the bottom. Tadik. The very nice one actually. Here, you as a guest have the.
Take a look at it.
Now serve yourself some of the rice, some of the bottom of the pot. We'll just live the healthy life.
I'm looking for the food.
Food. Oh, okay. I don't go to walking stick. Do you go there?
No. to see the club, the music and the lights, the lasers.
But yeah, you see a lot of things there.
It's crazy, yeah.
Zin, what do you think?
It's amazing. This is all for me. I can't wait to try some.
Try some. Please.